Hi, I'm Sue Summersall, founder of Kira Kira. Today we're going to make these Marrakech hoops. I was inspired by the beautiful architecture and archways in Morocco, and I made this pattern from a circle and a square, so really easy, simple geometric shapes. Famous fashion designers ranging from Valentino to Gucci have been inspired by Moroccan architecture. Geometric ornamentation can be found in all sorts of design. The circle represents infinity, and the square represents the four elements of air, water, fire, and earth. Let's get started! Today we are going to make a Marrakech hoop earring. So it's a really easy piece to make. I'm going to get started right now. So all you have to do, basically the cool thing about this piece is it's just a circle and a square put together. So I'm going to start with a 2-point circle. I am going to make it about 50 millimeters in diameter. And then we're going to go up and take the square tool. So now you can see we have the square inside of the circle. So I press escape. That helps me to not be sketching tools anymore. So I want to select all of them. Then I want to trim the inside. So I'm going to go to sketch, trim. So I'm going to take out these portions that we don't need. Okay, so that looks good. Select all of them. And then what we're going to do to create the two-dimensional rendering that can be a three-dimensional shape is we don't just want this to be one solid. We want there to be space in the center because we want it to be a hoop earring. A great easy way to do that is to go up to sketch and then offset. That has offset it 3.5 millimeters, which is pretty good. I think it looks a little thick for me, so I'm going to make it 3 millimeters. Now I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to delete these portions here because we want it to be a hoop earring with a post. Now what I'm going to do is extend those pieces a little bit so that can be the post, the hoop earring where the hoop goes in. Then I'm going to close these vectors because when you make a three-dimensional shape, everything has to be closed. You can't have open spaces. So that looks good. Select all. We're going to use the modify, press, pull to create a three-dimensional shape. How we do that is we have the object selected and I want it to be about 4 millimeters thick. I want to make the edges more delicate looking, so I'm going to fill out the edges here. I hope you guys had fun learning. I'd love to see what you're going to make. So start designing and share it with us. Your only limitation is your imagination. Go to kirakira.com and keep learning and upload your designs to your designer profile. Thanks, bye.